Let's explore the complete guide on how to rename your countdowns on Snapchat. Follow along as we walk through each step. Step 1. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on your avatar or profile picture located at the top left of the screen to enter your profile settings. Step 3. Scroll down and find the Countdowns section, then tap on View All to see all your existing countdowns. Step 4. Select the specific countdown you wish to rename by tapping on it. Step 5. Within the countdown details, tap on Edit to modify the countdown settings. Step 6. Edit the title of the countdown according to your preference or event. Step 7. Once you've made the desired changes, tap on Confirm to save the renamed countdown. By following these simple steps with detailed explanations, you can easily personalize and rename your countdowns on Snapchat for a more customized experience.